I can't even tell if this thing is. All right. I honestly don't know. I can't see. I don't know. Hold on. All right. I'm basically just making this video. I was in talking to Mac, and I thought about it. I was like, I'm like struggling. Like here, like this is so pathetic. When I talk to you guys, I actually have to do this. I have to type stuff out on one of these keyboard aids. I'm not even sure if you can mess around with the camera once it starts. I should have took a picture of myself in the bed here. You know, I'm in the hospital bed right now. Let me see if I'm allowed to. I don't know if I can. I don't even know what I look like. I probably look like a mess. But anyways, for those of you who are watching this that usually watch my cards and opening all that stuff and going to the flea markets and stuff, this is a video for my buddies at Hero Wars, and I'm just trying to explain to them I'm so sick. Well, I mean, I'm in the hospital right now. It's like at least my 12th day. I think it might be my 13th day in the hospital. I could count on my hands, but I don't care. I don't want to make this really long either. I just want to show you how I actually have to use a keyboard aid just to talk to you guys. And I was telling Mac, I said, oh, you know what? Mac might be like the only one who knows what happened to me, because I mean, I know they know I'm in the hospital, but I don't know if I told them that I got misdiagnosed. Oh, here, let's do Dorian. There we go. Here. Now here's what I have to do. This is the only reason I'm making this video, is to show this. This is pathetic, but it has to be done. Hold on. I guess not. Alright, so click here, make sure. Hi guys. Because they all still, well, not all, but a lot of guys think I got diagnosed with shingles, and it was wrong. I had to go back 1, 2, 3, 4 days later, and they reevaluated the diagnosis, and it wasn't shingles, it was cellulitis, and I had a cell wall that, I don't know if it collapsed or probably ripped off my body when I picked up the computers, and I felt a twinge, but we wound up getting infected, a mass infection. The cellulitis it ravaged my entire body to the point where I had stuff wrong with my toes, my ankles, my legs, my knees, my thighs, my elbows, my hips, my this, my that. Got into my eye. I had to get an eye operation, needles sticking in my eyes and stuff, which I don't mind, because to save my sight, I don't care. Like right now, I got blurry vision. I can't read most of this text here. I don't know where's my mouse. I can't read these texts. It's too. So I could read this, but I can't read this. It's too small. So what I've been doing is I've been going up into screenshots. Then I would go into, what's that called down here? Paint. And then I mean, seriously, it's sad. If I have to read a chat, I actually have to screenshot it, throw it into Paint, and then enlarge it so I could read it. It's the only way I could read stuff right now. And then there's this button here that makes you could go into this and, make the screen bigger or whatever. But for Hero Wars, it gets bigger on the first and then smaller every time after that. So that's futile. It's useless. I can't use that. But anyways, here, let me finish writing this thing here. Hi, guys. I don't, because some of these guys still think I have shingles. I don't have shingles. It was worse. I don't know how to spell cellulitis, but I try. It is cellulitis. Cellulitis. I'm not sure how to spell it. I'm still in the hospital. It's my 13th day here thus far, so far, whatever. Just wanted to let everyone know. Yeah, because I didn't even have a computer for the first so many days. And I actually missed out on like the daily gift and all that stuff for a couple times. Everyone know. So, but that'll do it for the video. I just want to let everybody know that it wasn't shingles. It was actually cellulitis. It became a massive abscess of infection all throughout my body, and that's why I'm still here after 2 weeks. Tomorrow will be my 14th day here. How crazy is that? I thought I was going to be in and out in 3 days at the most. But they said as soon as they saw my blood work, they came down and said, this is the worst blood work I've ever seen, ever. And they're like, we got you stat in the morning operation. Like they operate on me, that not even, oh Jesus, what time? Like, about, I don't know, 6.5, 7 hours later, I was operated on. That's how bad it was. But all right, thanks guys. Thanks for watching the video. Sorry it was such a stupid, gloomy thing and showing you how pathetic I've become, but it's a struggle just to play a fun game on the internet. How sick is that? Alrighty guys, you have a good one.